Okay, we're doing a quick unboxing video of the LARSON aluminum storm door. Now it's interesting. This is a custom order storm door. The box itself is 34.5 by 87. But the door that we had to have custom ordered for the size is 29.75 by 80. We're not going to do the setup now. This is getting professionally installed. We're just doing the unboxing. This is supposed to be the toughest security screen on the market, rated for strength and impact. 0.032 stainless steel wire screen, and has a shell impact of more than like 1,000 pounds to break in protection, and we got it in the black. I'll tell you the price in a minute, but let's go to the unboxing and get it open. Okay, so I'm not sure what they mean when they say 1,000 pounds square inch protection. So we got the box open, which wasn't the easiest thing. If this gives you an idea, if somebody tried to get in, this gives you an idea of what you can see behind it. So you can see through it. You can definitely see through it. And that gives you a close-up of the thread. So this is it outside the box. It is $880 on the website for this size, but I had to special order it, so they charged me $1,144 for the special order. Came with this box, and I also ordered the handle in the black, and we'll send you an update video once it's all installed, let you know how it looks and how it works out. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.